Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to opt out of the beta version of Amazon's new inventory template and switch back to the old template for bulk listing. If you've been struggling with the new format or simply prefer the classic template, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First things first, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left menu on your dashboard. Go to the Catalog section and click on Add Products via Upload. Now go to the first option labeled Download Spreadsheet. From there, select the option List products that are not currently in Amazon Catalog. This will take you directly to the template generation page. Here you can use the search bar to find the relevant category and select the one that best suits your product. Your selected categories will be displayed here. If you're selling in multiple countries, you can select the specific countries. You'll see an option here to opt out of the beta version of the new template and switch back to the older template version if preferred. Once you choose to opt out, a feedback form will pop up. You can either fill it out or skip it. After that, simply click on Generate Template to proceed. Amazon will prepare the file, and in just a few seconds, you'll have the older version of the inventory template downloaded to your computer. And that's it. You can now use the older inventory template for your bulk listings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll do our best to help. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Amazon.